Okay, Susan and I have been out picking our pumpkins and squashes, and this is going to be a quick lesson in squash bugs and what they do to you. And here you see squash bugs have been out here hitting a lot of our stuff. There you see that hole there. Anyway, so we picked those, and see, like there's some damage from a squash bug, and then we cut one open to see what it looked like inside, and that squash is rotten. Anyway, they get in there, they drill on into the inside, and the whole thing's spoiled. You see one little hole on the outside, and then you got a brown stinking mess inside. And you can smell the rot out there in the patch from squash bugs. I think next year we're going to have to move our squash patch because we've got too many bugs in it now. Anyway, so what Susan's doing now is she's going through these looking for ones with no holes, pulling those out. Those are ones she'll work up, and the rest of them are going to get dumped out for the wildlife to eat. Anyway, don't like squash bugs. Thank you very much. See you all later.